We tested beard trimmers from Braun, Philips, Norelco, Wahl, and more to sort out the best from the rest. In this video we will look at some of the best trimmer under $50 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 trimmer is truly an all-in-one device, equipped with 23 different attachments. It's capable of meeting all your grooming needs. This handy device can trim your facial and body hair as well as perform full-on haircuts. It was unquestionably the most versatile device we tested. With an incredibly long-lasting battery and high-quality blades, there isn't much to complain about with this trimmer. The stainless steel handle is ergonomic to hold and has a hefty weight that gives it the satisfying feel of a well-made tool. Our main gripe with this model is that it's not fully waterproof, leaving you out of luck if you like to shave in the shower. This caveat aside, we think the Multigroom 7000 is the perfect device for people looking for one tool to tackle all their grooming needs. The Philips Norelco 7000 is made from high-quality componentry and has great ergonomics. Enjoy best-in-class styling with our most advanced trimmer, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. An all-in-one trimmer for ultimate precision with dual-cut blades that delivers maximum precision for head-to-toe styling. The steel frame and rubber grips deliver superior control and the lithium-ion battery yields 5 hours of runtime. Number 2. Wahl Lithium-ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. Their Wahl Lithium-ion All-in-One Grooming Kit is a step up in quality from the Wahl Groomsman. The primary difference is that this model has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, whereas the Groomsman requires the use of AAs. Our testers enjoyed the feel and ergonomics of the rubberized handle and found the blades to cut exceptionally well. Designed with facial and body hair in mind, this trimmer doesn't come with longer blade attachments for anything but the shortest of haircuts. If you want a trimmer for your face and head, you might want to consider some of the other options, but this product is hard to beat as far as having a dedicated beard trimmer. Their Wahl Lithium-ion is a high-quality precision beard trimmer. Their Wahl Lithium trimmer is all you need to keep your facial hair looking great. This kit gives you Wahl's lithium-ion power, with 2 times the cutting power of our standard rechargeable trimmers, a 1-minute quick charge for quick grooming needs and up to 3.5 hours of runtime on a full 1.5-hour charge. The trimmer comes with all the accessories needed to trim, detail, and touch up your beard, body and head. Face the day looking great with your Wahl Lithium-ion Deluxe trimmer. Number 3. Braun 9"-1 Trimmer. The Braun 9"-1 trimmer is a versatile and rechargeable trimming device that is fully waterproof. For those who prefer taking care of your grooming in the shower, this device will likely be your top choice. Despite only coming with 4 blade guards, once installed, the 2 larger guards each offer 5 adjustable lengths, giving you an enormous level of control and refinement. This timer also comes complete with a nose and ear trimmer attachment, a reduced width detailing attachment, as well as a dedicated body hair trimmer. In addition, this kit provides a Gillette Fusion razor with 2 disposable blades. The biggest flaw we found was how finicky locking in the blade guard micro adjustments could be. We also didn't personally love the ergonomics of the handle, but it's certainly not a deal breaker. This is an excellent device for those who prefer to shave in the shower or want a highly adjustable trimmer. Master your style from head to toe with the MGK 5289"-1 beard trimmer for men. Powered by an auto-sensing motor that tackles both thick and thin beards efficiently, the MGK 5280 offers 13 lengths, 0.521, and lifetime sharp blades. Box includes 1x beard hair trimmer, 1x ear nose trimmer, 1x detail trimmer, 1x body groomer head, 1x4 combs, 1x soft bag, 1x Gillette razor, 1x smart plug charger. Number 4. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. Their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a serious beard and hair cutting machine. With a variable taper blade and 8 included blade guards, it's easy to fine-tune the look of your beard and hair. Designed with professional barbers in mind, This trimmer is built to last. The ergonomics of the handle are well designed and comfortable to hold on to. One of the most remarkable functions of this device is its ability to be used corded or cordless. The ability to plug it in and keep cutting will keep you from ending up with a half-done job waiting for your trimmer to charge. At the same time, the rechargeable battery makes it easy to trim the back of your head without getting tangled in a cord or to take the whole operation outside. Using this device for small details might prove to be more challenging for less experienced users because it doesn't come with any blade guards that reduce the width of the blades. While this device is amazing at trimming and maintaining beards and haircuts, it's not ideal for removing small amounts of body hair and doesn't have any attachments to trim nose or rear hair. It's best suited for those serious about home grooming who want to skip going to the barber shop. Their Wahl cordless magic clip is ideal for high volume full service grooming from your face to your head. Number 5. Wahl Professional Peanut Classic 8685. Their Wahl Peanut is a simple and bomb-proof device. Part of Wahl's professional line of products, this trimmer is built for heavy-duty use. Its corded power system is both a blessing and a curse. The lack of an internal battery means one less piece can break but ultimately keeps you tethered close to a wall outlet. This compact trimmer sits comfortably in your palm and is easy to work with and especially easy to clean. True to their Wahl brand, this is a highly effective cutting tool. The Peanut only comes with 4 blade guards, ranging from 1/8 up to 1/2. Which seriously limits the out-of-box versatility. It's great for trimming down or maintaining big thick beards and for keeping your fade looking fresh between trips to the barber. Their Wahl Peanut is a handy corded little device built to withstand professional use. While not the most versatile, it is a highly effective cutting machine. Wahl's professional classic white peanut hair and beard clipper trimmer is designed to deliver the sharp performance that experts demand, featuring the full-size power of a clipper in the convenience of a smaller size intended for professional use only.